Are you smarter than a realtor? This is our version of Are you smarter than a fifth grader? I know you guys are probably very tired of seeing market stats and market updates all over our feed, so we thought we'd, change it up, spice it up a little bit. So we're gonna get our friend Chris here to show us some pictures of some houses, and the three of us are gonna guess what it sold for. And it's gonna be super embarrassing for the two of you if I win, so please get it together.
I like this bungalow. I like where the garage is, kind of, because then you get like that space above it as well, right? It becomes all kind of like usable, right?
Oh, those are some old school couches.
You know that kitchen small where that where the angle of this picture is taken and how big that fridge looks on this side? I don't even know if I could fit between this counter and this thing over here. Yeah, no. I saw those comforters at Walmart. Oh, finished basement. Okay. It's got nice tile there.
Nice couch from the 70s.
Yeah. Windows are a good size for a basement. It looks like an older bungalow, so the window sizes are good. Sure. Oh, they got a little kitchen down there. What about separate entrance?
Separate entrance.
Oh, look at that blue. Was that a blue toilet? Oh, yeah. I need this.
And matching blue sink.
Okay.
Oh
But they got the white seat.
Oh, that's beauty.
All right.
Okay, there's a backyard.
There's a backyard.
Okay, nice.
Okay.
Mature. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, it's very mature trees for sure. I'm so scared right now. This is what happens. I talk a bunch of smack and then I'm gonna show for it.
I'm done.
Don't look.
I'm done already.
Okay.
It's my favorite number. 900K.
Wow.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
I'm not too far. I wrote 890.
Wow, I'm way out on this one. I'm really hoping this is in like a really good area.
Oh.
1175.
Whoa.
Okay.
All right.
Chris seems to like that number. I saw the
No,
head
he's
shape.
like, this guy's so far off. Is he the team lead or?
The answer is 1.108.
I'm off, but like 1-1. I was gonna go like 1150, but then I said it might be more.
You're not.
1.108.
Yes.
Yeah, 08. I'm off by like 70 grand.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's actually pretty decent.
Yeah.
I'm off by almost 300K. Or 200K.
I'm winning!
Okay, yeah. I need the location.
No,
I need the location.
this is like older downtown-ish.
Mature for sure.
Yeah. It's gotta have like taller buildings, yeah.
Oh.
Okay, I like those herringbone with the flooring. Yeah, so
This is
big
actually
space.
really
Yeah,
nice.
this is a really nice
That
spot.
was deceiving. I didn't know.
I
don't
can guess.
like that view up
I can
there.
guess the maintenance fee here. $1,200 a month.
This is really nice. This doesn't look like it's gonna be cheap.
It's not.
Can we? Oh.
That's
looks
really
better than
nice.
some of the
I just
panels.
hate that this pillar is like in the
Right in
middle
the
of this
middle.
freaking island.
Hey man, if you're fighting with your spouse, then they
I
sit on
guess
one
so.
side.
I mean, that's a heck of a way to choose real estate. That you're gonna mostly be fighting with your spouse.
But,
Okay, look at that size bedroom though.
That's a big-
That
that's a
primary is
house unit.
huge.
Man, I've never seen a condo this big before.
I really
Oh
like
man,
this.
I'm scared.
Ima wants to move in. Okay, really nice
Did you guys
bathroom.
notice
there's a
this?
bench in the bathroom.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Built-in bench.
Built-in bench. Upgraded top to bottom.
Another
Second
bedroom,
bedroom.
spacious.
Laundry.
That flooring,
Ooh,
that
that's
flooring
nice
is
laundry. That's a
It's
nice
not the
laundry for a condo.
closet, yeah,
Yeah.
it's not like stacked washer and dryer. It's nice.
Amenities.
Yep.
Okay, go
Ooh.
slow, so we don't get that. I mean, the outside is giving us an indication
Okay.
too. A little bit.
Fair.
Considering the condo market's tanked.
Yeah.
Too,
it's
guys.
all within the last 30 days. I'm so scared.
I'm ready. I'm ready to be wrong again.
My guess on this one is 975K.
All right. Mine is 817.
A milli. Okay.
And what do you think is the maintenance fee per month?
Oh.
$1,200.
Yeah.
$1,300 a
I'm
month.
gonna say
1,500.
like less than 1100.
14.
So the maintenance is 2,976.
Oh no! $3,000.
Oh no.
Okay.
$3,000 a month.
I'm changing my guess.
Oh no, yeah, I wanna change it.
This place is expensive.
We're
man.
jumping
This is-
to 1.3, baby.
Oh
I'm gonna
god,
jump- I'm
yeah.
gonna
This
jump
is not
like-
happening anymore. I went up like 300 grand.
Me
Hold
too.
up the new answers.
We both went up 300 grand. We're still 25 grand apart.
Okay, the answer is 2.35 million.
What?
Come on,
Sold 9 days ago.
$3,000 a month, guys. Like $3,000 a
I'm
month,
off
right?
like $1 million.
$3,000 a month. Like that's a lot.
I'm changing careers.
I want to know who this buyer is.
If this is like in a certain part of downtown Toronto, this is like $5 million.
I
But if
know.
it's in a certain part of Scarborough, it's like,
but you got to get the vibe off the finishes, right?
yeah, this is not Scarborough for sure.
No.
It's not Scarborough, no.
I don't know, I'm gonna fall asleep if you scroll slower.
I'm sorry, I'm looking at the bricks, I'm looking at the door.
There's still.
You
Look
know
at
what?
this. You walk in the door
Right,
and
that's
like
it.
welcome to your sofa.
You
It's not.
better sit down.
It's not virtually staged because every picture has the same furniture.
True.
True.
It's finished nicely.
It's finished nicely, but small. Be small.
I mean, this is like might be a condo alternative, right?
Yeah.
The cabinets are nice.
Finishes are nice.
Guys, by the way, it's impossible
Look
to
at this
guess a
basement.
number without knowing the neighborhood. Impossible.
Location.
Location.
Look at this backyard. Super mature.
Mature, but narrow.
Yeah.
I think I'm being too conservative. I'm gonna step it up.
Done.
So does it change your mind that it is in Toronto Crescent Town?
Oi.
Ah, Crescent Town. I would change it a little bit.
1,045,000.
So that's the down payment.
Seriously?
No, I'm just joking.
I'm way off then. That means
see.
because
Said
1.4.
Wow, I need to. They have the same number.
1.4 million.
Does it change your mind
Oh,
That's not a good sign.
that
that
were,
it was sold January 1st or January 20th, 2025 for $634,000?
yes.
That's gonna come
Dramatically.
down quite a
So
bit.
January 2025 sold for 600 and change,
And
and
now it's
and,
again.
and this sales in the last 30 days.
Yeah.
Was it extensively renovated in between?
Yeah,
Yeah.
massively. But still, how much was it sold for?
Let me show you the photos of the original.
Is it a complete
Is it?
gut
Yeah.
job? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a gut job.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Complete budget.
But it's still not good. I actually think Aima's right.
I dropped a bit.
I really need 1.5.
I think Aima's actually right.
You already showed. I went from 1.5 to 1.4
You went from 1.4
to
okay.
1250.
Okay, and
Okay.
you
So I
went-
went from 1.4 to 1.1.
What are we at, Chris?
The
I'm a got.
answer is 928,000.
Oh my God! I think
Okay,
they got
I'm
a
that one. I'm the closest.
sick house, guys. I think they got a really sick
Yeah,
house.
1 point. That's all I'm happy about.
I mean, after seeing the other one, this
It's compact.
this is like showing the buyer the right house that got away from them, and now you're trying to comp to that house all the time. This is
Yeah.
what it feels like.
Yeah. Nice sink.
That's nice.
Cozy.
Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, literally, that was the kitchen's right
Ah, you're right.
there. So you walk out.
All I'm seeing is tiny square footage.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
tight.
it's small. It's got a two-piece, I guess, in the master
looks like it,
or
yeah.
primary.
Side split,
It's a little
back
bit
split.
odd, yeah.
Yeah. Nice house.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's
It is a nice house.
Yeah. A lot of character. Bit of finished basement.
Ooh,
Nice size yard.
It's got a. Is that a hot tub?
No.
Sure.
It might be actually. Yeah,
Looks
there's
like
like
it.
a strap here. Yeah, it might be.
And
First-
it's detached, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Oh, that's a nice
backyard,
backyard,
Yep.
That's
Whoa.
big.
okay.
That's big.
Does it change your mind that this is in the Scarborough Guildwood area?
No.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
I might want to change mine, but
I feel like I might have.
you know what? I'm gonna stick to my
I'm
gut.
not gonna change it by much. People are very
Morningside and
policy
South
sensitive.
Kingston.
Oh.
Oh, my number's
Oh.
changing.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Lower?
I'm good. I'm gonna.
I think-
No, I'm gonna have to do one more edition. I'm so sorry. No, listen, lady, you'll find out. 895.
1 million.
875.
I'm a win.
What is it?
995.
All right.
Now, I guess
I
the
had
answer to the question.
so I went from 775 thinking it's in Hamilton to like 945, and then I was like, oh, okay, maybe it's got to be lower based on the location you gave us.
Guys, the question that I asked at the beginning of the video, which was, am I smarter than a realtor?
And the answer is.
yes, absolutely.
Maybe.
All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. And if you like us to do more things like this, more fun videos, feel free to comment below and let us know what you want to see.
Until next time, guys. Remember one thing.
Get Kabani.
Get
sold.
sold.
Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sold. Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sold. Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sold. Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sold.